Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel yet again. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my aloe vera leave-in conditioner to my hair. I'm also going to be walking you guys through how I make it. I use 5 ingredients. I only use 5 ingredients to make my aloe vera leave-in. So if you're interested in seeing how I make it, let's go ahead and head over to the kitchen. But before we even head over to the kitchen and make this aloe vera leave-in, if this is your first time finding my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you're alerted whenever I post a new video. And what else? Oh yeah, like this video if you enjoyed it, and comment down below if you found this video interesting as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and head over to the kitchen.
Alright y'all, so this is going to be very simple, okay? I mean like super simple. So all you need is lemongrass. Well, actually you can add whatever fragrances you want. I'm using lemongrass, peppermint oil, and lavender oil. Those are the 3 things I'm using alongside water. And last but not least, this is the aloe vera that I already scraped off of the leaf and just put into a jar. So we're gonna pour it straight into our Ninja blender. Yeah, just pour a little bit. You know what? Now we're gonna go all the way in. We're gonna pour it all. We're gonna pour it all in, okay? So we're just gonna use all of this, and then you can add however much of the fragrances that you want. I added more lemongrass than anything, as y'all can see. Like, I was like, you know what? Let's add a little more of that too. I was adding a lot of lemongrass. Like a lot. I don't know why I was adding so much. Like, dang. Like, okay, dang. But, yeah. Lemongrass, lavender, and peppermint oil. Then you blend it up. This is honestly super self-explanatory. So, yeah. Y'all, I completely forgot to take the blade out of the blender, and bam. Wow.
Alright, and we are back from the kitchen. That was very simple, wasn't it? Yes, I know. It was very simple. 5 ingredients. That's all you need. You saw. So anyway, I have it in this jar here, and oh my gosh, it smells so good. Because y'all know, if you've ever smelled aloe vera before, it does not have a very intoxicating fragrance. It doesn't make you want to use it or anything. But now it smells so good. It smells like lemongrass. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like lemons, pretty much. Lemons with a hint of peppermint and a hint of lavender. But I put more lemongrass than anything, so yeah. But let me first go ahead and show you guys my old cornrows that I'm working with. So I've had these in for a week, and honestly, they're already getting very loose. And I've been spraying rice water on my hair. Let's see, can y'all see these? But like I was saying, I've had these in for a week, and they're already getting pretty loose. So either one of 2 things are happening. My hair is either growing, or it is, these braids are loosening. But when I put them in, the braids was pretty tight. So I think this rice water, I think it's making my hair grow, honestly. So I'm gonna leave these braids in probably for another week. And then I'm going to take them out and do a length check. And then I'm going to start the process over. But for the next cornrows, I'm going to have them in for an entire month. But this time I'm going to leave them in for 2 weeks and do a length check, see how long my hair is, and then go for the full month. And I've been spraying this on my hair like at least every day. Well, every other day, but mostly I try not to skip any days. I sprayed it on yesterday, today, the day before. So I've been spraying this on my hair every single day. And I'm telling you, one of two things are happening. Either my hair is growing or these braids are like getting loose. But I braided it pretty tight and they're already getting kind of loose. Don't pay attention to the frizz, just pay attention to the braids that are like literally lifting already. Today we're gonna do a little bit of moisturizing to my hair, simply because my hair is in braids and I do still want it to stay moisturized, which is why I'm using the Aloe Vera leave-in. So what I'm going to do is pour a little bit onto the top, and I'm just gonna brush it onto my hair because this stuff is pretty messy. But what I did do was I blended it up just to see if I could get all of the chunks and stuff out. So this is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and just start brushing it onto our hair. It feels so good. This stuff, when I say this stuff feels very moisturizing. So we're just gonna brush it on. And what I am gonna try to do is avoid the chunks because I don't want to have to rinse it out. Well, I'm not rinsing it out because I'm using it as a leave-in, but let's definitely try to avoid any chunks or adding any chunks. So just gonna brush this on my hair. Let me turn to the side so y'all can see a little better what I'm doing. We're gonna rub it in later, but first I just want to evenly coat it. So we're brushing it all over. And this is just to add some moisture back into my hair since it is in braids. And y'all, the smell, it smells so much better once you add a few essential oils in it. It smells like so much better. All right, let me see what I'm doing. Let's see. Okay, so now we're just let's go ahead and rub this in. And as y'all can see, it's really not very many chunks. It is a few still kind of floating around, which I'm going to definitely kind of remove because I don't want any chunks in my hair. So we're gonna definitely remove those, but for the pieces that aren't chunky, we're just gonna squeeze it into the braids. And you don't have to add different fragrances. You don't have to add different fragrances into yours, but I would definitely recommend it because aloe vera doesn't have the best smell all by itself. So let's just pick those chunks out and then squeeze it. You can blend it a little better. Like I blended it like to the best of my ability. Maybe I should have left it in longer, but I was blending it for a good while. If y'all saw, I blended it twice, and then I put it like once I finished blending it the first time, I put it back in there for it to blend a little bit longer. But let's just go ahead and work this into our hair. It smells really, really good. Okay, we're just gonna brush it onto our hair and onto our scalp and our braids. This is gonna dry, and I don't really know an easier way to do this. I guess you can put it in like a, well, I don't know if you can put this in a spray bottle because it is very it's very thick and gooey, like a gel. It's like a gel texture, so I don't know how that would work in a spray bottle, but this is the easiest way for me. So this is really just adding moisture. This stuff is super, super, super moisturizing for your hair, and it doesn't have a bad smell. So, oh no, it's silly. It doesn't have a bad smell once you add the different ingredients and stuff in it. So that's a plus. Now let's get the back part. Let me turn all the way around. Okay, so now all I'm doing is just going around and removing all of the chunky parts that are still in my hair, which isn't like too much. So yeah, any parts any parts of my hair that still feel a little dry, I'm just gonna go in and just kind of put some aloe vera gel on them, just to make sure that I did get all of my hair. But for the most part, I did get every piece of my hair, and just making sure not to add any more chunks. So I did try to blend it up pretty good, but I'm gonna probably blend it even longer next time. But I'm just making sure to make sure my hair is nice and moisturized, and it feels pretty moisturized already. What I will do is probably check back in with you guys later or tomorrow just to see if my hair does look any shinier or look any different after adding this aloe vera leave-in. But honestly, it feels really moisturized, and the fact that this is all natural is very beneficial, because who wants to be adding all types of chemicals and stuff to their hair? Okay, let me come back when I finish getting this out of my hair and then we'll reconvene then. All right guys, so I got out as much as I could of the little, aloe vera pieces. But what I would say is, if you're going to use this as a leave-in, definitely blend it up better than I did. I thought that I blended it up pretty good, but no, I didn't. I'm gonna blend it way better next time. You can't really see the chunks, but you know what though? Anybody who uses aloe vera as a leave-in, is it always gonna be chunks? Or maybe you're supposed to strain it. That's what I probably should have did. I should have put it in a stocking and strained it. That is definitely what I should have did. That's what I'll do next time. But no harm, no foul. It's not really harming anybody. I got as much of it out as I could, so it's not a ton left, but there's little pieces here and there. I'm gonna just let those dry up, and then I'll get them out that way. But I would definitely recommend straining this once you do blend it, or once you do make this mixture. Just strain it out and call it a day. That'll probably make it a lot easier. But my hair does feel extremely moisturized, like very, very, very moisturized. So that's definitely a plus. That's a bonus, because before my hair was feeling pretty dry, but now it feels very, very, very moisturized. So what I will do is I'll probably add this onto my hair tomorrow as well, but I will strain it out before I use it again. With those with the essential oils that I did add, it does smell amazing. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. Anyway, that is pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys me applying the aloe vera leave-in to my old cornrows, and it's literally only 5 ingredients. So it's super simple, super easy. 5 ingredients. This is how I apply the aloe vera leave-in to my old cornrows for moisture and for hair growth, because if your hair is moisturized, it is going to grow because it's not breaking off. And if your hair is damaged, if you keep moisturizing it and just keep nourishing it, it's gonna grow. So yeah, that's pretty much it. My hair feels really soft. If you have never used aloe vera before in your hair, definitely try it, because it does make your hair feel totally different. My hair feels really soft, as if I just put like one of those high-end leave-in conditioners in it. It feels great. So, and this was $1. Like the whole leaf was like $1.50, and I got multiple uses out of it. So you guys, come on. get with the program, okay? Anyway, that is pretty much it for this video. I do want to say thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Like, comment, subscribe if you have not already. Hit the notification bell so you can be alerted whenever I post a new video. And again, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching my channel, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. So goodbye.
Hey guys, so I'm trying something new out with my content, so if you made it to the end of this video, you are definitely a trooper, and I thank you guys so much, so much for your comments and your support. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. Seems like breathing ain't enough to keep me floating.